How to check backlinks in Semrush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, make sure you go down to the description, click on the link below, and you should be able to get a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7, which is really going to help you quite a lot to understand Semrush better before you subscribe. Okay, so now that we have our accounts ready to go and we have logged in order to check backlinks, it's very simple. You simply just want to hover over the SEO tab from your main screen on the left side. And once you do that, you simply just want to scroll down and you're going to find the link building tab. You are going to find backlinks. And if you click on that, you're going to be able to just enter your domain or any other domain that you want to check the backlinks to. Just add that domain in here and you're going to be able to check those backlinks from this tool basically. Now, also, you have a different way to go about this, which is going to be if you want to compare between, let's say, your domain and a competitor's domain when it comes to backlinks. Then in that case, you want to click on backlink gap. It's going to be within the competitive analysis, and you just want to click on that. And in this case, you just want to add 2 different domains, yours, and then the competitor's domain, and you just want to click on find prospects. So I'm just going to go for this one because this is more like a 2-in-1 instead of having to go for the the default one, just checking one domain. So I'm just going to add this domain as if it's mine. It's not really mine. I'm just going to use it as an example here. Let's say I just want to compare ergonomic chairs or really whatever it may be. So I just added these 2. This one is I'm just going to pretend like it's mine, and then I also added this giant here, hermanmiller.com. And you can even add more if you want to, but I'm just going to keep it to 2 and click on find prospects. So let's just go ahead and discuss the different tabs that are available. So first, it's just going to be yours, as you can see. And here you're going to find plenty of different backlinks. I mean, if you do actually have plenty of backlinks, you have a few filters here that you can go for, like the best ones. So it's just going to go from best to worst. You also have the weak ones if you want to showcase those instead. Strong and also shared. So if you just want to point out which backlinks are shared between you and the competitor, you can just go and click on that. And also you have a unique option as well, which is going to be only linked to you or the competitor. Now, what you can do is also filter between you and the other domains that you just added. So for example, now it's us, but now it's just going to be them. Same goes here. You can just check out the best for them, the weak ones for them, the strong ones, the shared ones, and the unique ones. You're just going to be able to check out all of these different backlinks from here. It's very easy and simple to use, as you can see. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how to check backlinks using Semrush. It is extremely simple, as you can see. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.